This stupid simple strategy consistently has days like this, and like this. And the best thing is that it shows up every single day, and it's so easy that a beginner can learn it as well. And through the course of this video, you'll learn how to trade my strategy step by step and understand how the model actually works. And so the name of the strategy is the 10 a.m. AMD model. But before we break down the strategy, you need to understand why 10 a.m. is actually important. And the reason the 10 a.m. AMD model actually works is because between 9:30 and 10 a.m. we build a range, we form a lot of liquidity resting below in this range, we form fair value gaps, and the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle is about to open and the 6 a.m. 4-hour candle is about to close. So number one, the 10 a.m. candle is a key opening price. There's a lot of liquidity in the markets, and especially between 10 a.m. the market is ready to show intent, and this is where smart money is looking to position themselves towards the higher time frame drawn liquidity. And you might be wondering, what actually is AMD? Most traders think AMD is just accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, but that's way too surface level. The true power of the 10 a.m. AMD model comes from aligning yourself with the institutional bias, asking yourself who is trapped and where's price going next. So you have to ask yourself, where is the drawn liquidity? And for me, it is always going to be at hourly swing highs and hourly swing lows. So now that we identified the drawn liquidities of where the market actually wants to go, there's sellers trapped above the swing high and there's buyers trapped below the swing low. Those 2 points are where the market actually wants to go, and this is how we align ourselves. First, we wait for the 10 a.m. candle to open up and show us where the manipulation actually is going to occur. So now I'm on the lower time frame, in between 9:45 to around 10:10. We can see that price is chopping, it's ranging, and it's compressing. You'll notice a lot of overlapping candles, a lot of long wicks, and a failure to distribute in any meaningful direction. And this is exactly what we're looking for, but an important rule is you're not trading here. And right around 10 a.m. at that key opening of that 4-hour candle, something changes. Price will often sweep the high or the low of the morning range. It will trigger other breakout traders and it will hit obvious stop losses. A sweep of this morning low is an obvious manipulation. It looks aggressive, it looks convincing, but that's exactly the point. We don't want to fall for any of these tricks. And a key rule that I look to follow by is that manipulation expands fast, but it fails to hold. If price immediately follows through, that's not a manipulation, that's a continuation. In our example right here, we have a 15-minute fair value gap resting down below this morning range low. And so this brings me to step 2 of the 10 a.m. AMD model, where we need a 15-minute fair value gap to be engaged before price can actually continue towards the real drawn liquidity. And now we're on to step 3, the distribution, and this is the only place we trade. This is where the money is made. After manipulation, price displaces in the opposite direction. As you can clearly see, we tap into this 15-minute fair value gap, but we're not getting any sort of continuation lower towards these drawn liquidities. Instead, we're getting green candles facing higher and higher and higher. And usually to confirm the distribution, you'll see a strong opposing candle on the opposite side of the range. We also want a market structure shift to confirm that price is actually going to continue higher. And so let me tell you guys my entry rules, and these are stupid simple. So number 1, we're going to be targeting 1-hour swing highs because that's where the institutional liquidity lays. Number 2, there has to be a 1-minute accumulation range between 9:50 and 10:10. There has to be liquidity on the buy side and there has to be liquidity on the sell side, so we know where the manipulation is actually going to take place. And the third criteria of this model is there must be a 15-minute or above fair value gap / order block that has to be retraced into after sweeping one of the accumulation ranges low or high. So to keep this simple, all you do is just mark out the accumulation range high and accumulation range low, and there must be a 15-minute fair value gap or order block below or above one of those levels. And the fourth and final criteria to enter is there must be a 1 or 5-minute change in the steady delivery or a market structure shift to actually confirm we're going in that direction. So let's use this now to actually help us. So first off, we have our hourly highs. This is where our take profit is going to be. And now the second thing is having an accumulation range between 9:50 and 10:10. So we have this accumulation range high and we have this accumulation range low. Below this range low is we have a 15-minute fair value gap resting, as you can clearly see on the higher time frame. We're also tapping into a 1-hour order block here as well. And at this point, all we need is a confirmation, which is a 1 or 5-minute change in the steady delivery. So in order for us to take our position, we would wait for a candle body closure above here. Let's see if we get that real quick. So as you guys can clearly see, we get a significant candle body closure off this level right here. We would pretty much take our position off this level right here, keep our stop loss at this low, and target the swing high right here, and we can see how the strategy plays out. And as you can clearly see, we get a beautiful distribution, aligning ourselves with that 10 a.m. AMD model, aligning ourselves with the institutions, and catching this beautiful trade that happens every single day. And here's my TradeZella dashboard across all my accounts trading this strategy. We usually have a 65 to 70% win rate. I usually target 2R always, and this is what the months look like: December, November, October, and as you guys can clearly see, we lose, but the winners are more consistent and way larger. Unfortunately, it's the end of the video, but if you stuck around and want some more, I trade this model live every single day at 10 a.m. in my community. And if you want to trade this model live with me, or take the same trades that I do, or have your trades reviewed, or ask me any questions, you can click the first link in the description and you can have a 7-day free trial of joining my live Discord. And make sure to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys next week for my in-depth guide on daily bias.